In today's episode, we will discuss kung paano ba magkaroon ng mabilis na car loan approval. Tipong isang tulog lang ang peg. Actually, there's no rocket science in this. You just have to stick sa ating basic guide para makuha mo agad ang dream car mo. Sa first tip, fill up the information completely with the correct contact numbers sa iyong application form. Napaka-important neto kasi ang information na isusulat mo ang magiging basis ng bank para sa kanilang decision. Dito ka din nila tatawagan to verify all the information that you provided. Kaya make sure na accurate lahat ng isusulat mo. Second tip, be contactable at all times. Kasi hindi tatakbo ang application mo kung hindi ka nako-contact. Sayang ang oras. If you have a preferred time to entertain calls, indicate it sa application form mo para alam ng bank yung best time to call you. Third tip, ensure that all information that you provided is complete and accurate. Check ng maigi kahit ang spelling. At isang mali mo lang kasi kahit isang letter, pwedeng makaka-apekto to sa iyong car loan approval. Sayang naman, di ba? The fourth tip, don't provide false information. Just be honest kasi mas malaki ang magiging problema mo kapag nahuli ka. So don't risk getting banned by banks. Kasi pag nangyari yan, possibly hindi ka na makapag-loan forever sa kahit anong bank products. The fifth tip, submit complete requirements lalo nang ang iyong mga proof of income tulad ng COE or bank statements. So, ito kasi ang magiging basehan ng banks para sa iyong approval. Pag kulang ang sinubmit mo, malaki ang chance mong ma-deny. So, dito din kasi madedetermine kung meron kang capacity para magbayad ng utang. Kaya make sure na ready to pag nag-apply ka. The sixth tip, submit your non-pro driver's license. Basic lang to, kumukuha ka ng kotse, kaya dapat may license ka. In the event na wala ka pang license, you have to disclose kung sino ang mag-drive at i-provide mo ang non-pro driver's license niya. So, keyword is non-professional, hindi student's license. Kasi hindi naman pwede mag-drive ng mag-isa ang naka-student's license. Last tip, and probably one of the most important one, is be respectful sa mga tatawag or magpupunta sa'yo. Nagulat ka, no? Remember, tao ang nangungutang at may need ng sasakyan. At the end of the day, everyone is just doing their job. So, nagustuhan mo ba ang ating car loan tips? Comment below and show some love by sharing our video tip. If you need assistance for your car loan or you want to get a brand new car, just message us para ma-assist ka namin. And please don't forget to follow our page for more exclusive car content. See you sa next video. Drive safely!